Hello, in this presentation I will be discussing Mary Parker Follett and Frederick W. Taylor's theories in management and applying it in today's modern day public administration situations, as well as which concept holds true and which could use some change. So next we do have Frederick W. Taylor and his scientific management theory, whose main focus was efficiency of production and productivity of employees. So he did want to see how fast people worked and where tasks can be broken down so each person gets a small task for quicker results. And something I did notice is that employees don't really get the ability to give feedback in terms of how things would work better and where they would be placed, so they were dehumanized for this reason. And also because they were overworked in order to see how things could be more efficient in a workplace. And I also did notice that managers were given complete powers, so they were their responsibility was to basically order where employees would work better, and the responsibility of making sure that guidelines were being upheld, that nothing was out of line, and that the training was given to the appropriate worker. I don't think that this theory does apply to DPSS work setting because I feel like we are still asked for our feedback in terms of what works better. We work together with managers, although sometimes I know they do apply certain rules, regulations that they feel would work better, but we still get to have our input in the workplace. So I put Frederick W. Taylor as a concept that may need changing because his approach does seem a little bit harsh. I do agree that managers should coordinate what workers should do, that they're working efficiently, but I feel like there needs to be uh, that collaborative work between a manager and an employee, which is why I think Mary Follett is still a concept that holds true in a workplace because that way there's that collaborative work going on.